Okay, so today we're just going to give you a quick video demonstration of the easywash365 Plus foam lance by Suttner. This would typically be installed on a self-service car wash bay as part of a washing program, and it would apply foam to the car, which would make the pressure washing phase much more efficient. The foam lance itself is extremely durable and made from impact resistant plastics, and features low trigger force technology, which makes it much easier for the user when they're washing their car. We also have weak versions of this, which enables a small amount of water to pass through the gun even when the trigger's not activated, and this is to prevent freezing of the gun and causing any damage.